How's it going, everyone? So today we are going to do a tour of my dorm here at Yale, my freshman dorm. And the way it works at Yale is that Yale undergrads are split to 14 random residential colleges, and I'm split into Pearson College. And Pearson College in particular lives on Old Campus, which is where most of the freshmen are housed into. And Pearson in particular is housed in Lamb and Wright Hall, which is also what we call LDUP. And I know that is very complicated, but basically we are notoriously known for our very small dorms. So freshman year, all of the Pearson College students are housed in here. I think we lucked out. It's me and 3 of my other suite mates. I have 1 roommate, so there are 2 doubles in here for 4 people total. And I am on the 4th floor, so we are always walking up every day, but you get used to it. Also on this floor, we share a bathroom with 4 other girls next door. They're awesome people. They're our floor mates, and they also have 2 doubles in there, but without further ado, let's go. Let me lock that. Yeah. Whew. Hey, that's me. Alright, so I'm so sorry for not saying anything because I didn't want to bother anybody. It's pretty late at night. I didn't want to wake anybody up in the hallways. But yeah, we are a pretty close-knit family. But let me get started. The door to our room, and as you can tell to the left over here, we have our recycling bin / garbage / broom and some shoes. And some shoes that are kind of just messy over there. But yeah, everything is blank here because we still need to decorate our dorm. But we have the Mr. Sun guy over here, our little buddy. We have a couch. We have these lights that are just like, you know, strung all over the place. And then here we have our little table over here. And this is my roommate Chucho's desk. This is my suite mate. Oh no, this is my suite mate Chucho's desk. And this is my roommate Sam's desk, and that is Anthony's desk, and that is also where I recorded the video. And this is a big ass mirror that Chucho bought. So yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty humble. It's one of the bigger ones in Pearson, definitely. Yeah. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let us know, because we are always open to, you know, making everything look a little bit better. I don't think that works. Yeah. We're definitely gonna change that. But yeah. Maybe you want to check this view out here. It's night, so it's not that good right now. That's our courtyard. There we go. This is Chucho and Anthony's room. Open it up. And he has lights. By the way, guys, all of these lights and stuff. Oh, that's his bed, by the way. So yeah, we got a closet, you know, not too shabby. A bunk bed. Close that. So basically, those pillows, that table, the big ass mirror, all of these lights, pretty much all of them were bought by Chucho. And now here is my room, and it might be messy, I think. Oh, man. Okay, so this is my little area to study, just in case sometimes. Got my pop vinyls, Bruce Lee. Got some knickknacks over here. Me and my lady friend. Me and my books. My ID. Man, let me just cover my thing. There we go. We have a closet here. Nothing too special, to be honest. Just a simple closet. This is Sam's thingy thing. That's my thingy thing for all my clothes. Protein powder, fan, some books, clothes. That's his bed. This is my bed. I don't even have a blanket. I'm not prepared whatsoever. My laptop bag over there. On my desk. We got some random stuff over here. Just a bunch of random stuff. If you guys want me to go more in depth and like detailed and like show all the things I got in Yale, I can definitely do a video on that. But like I said before, we live in LDUP, Lamb and Wright Hall, and we are notoriously known for having small rooms. But to be honest, you know, I don't mind it at all. Like, I like it. It's very cozy and comfy. But yeah, nice and simple, nice and small, nothing too much. Ooh, I gotta show you the view over here, actually. So, it's loud as hell outside, But it's a pretty decent view. I think that's Michael. But yeah. Whew. Thank you guys once again for clicking on the video. I'm sorry for the camera and the audio quality, and we are definitely going to be decorating this a bit more and making it more homey, and I might update you guys in the future, but what was I gonna say? Once again, since we're freshmen, we are housed in here, but once we are upperclassmen, we get placed into our actual residential college, which people say is pretty big. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I showed it with this lighting. Let me see it. Okay, so now we're back with this weird lighting, but thank you guys so much for watching. Leave comments on what else you want to see, and I'm gonna sleep because it's pretty late. Peace out. In this world